Oh, that was nice of them. I could get Flower real good moving that time.
Okay. Come here, love. Come on. Come on. Love. Come on, love. Come on.
She's being difficult.
How do you get in there?
Ooh, got her rear going away pretty good there. Oh, that's better.
Got Love.
Yeah, I got Flower while I go moving. Love was speaking. Oh, they got Love coming at me really good. You're silly.
Puppies. Yeah.
Oh, that was good of Flower moving away, and whoever else is following you just then. Tommy.
Come here. Come here. Well, puppies. Yes. Yeah, she seems to respond a little better to. Come on.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there, I just got Love going really good. Well, we got some good ones of Flower just in following along. There we go. Do that again. I only got part of that.
This is probably how he's going to be in the ring. Oh. Come on.
You guys are too funny. Oh, got a couple steps.
He did it a little bit.
Yeah, and I got it on tape.
Play with it.
He's that cute. Flower. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, that was good, whoever that was.
Flower. Come here.
Ooh, good, 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 coming at me.
Come here. Puppy puppers. Puppies. Come on. Oh, great.
What?
The one I'm keeping has speed as gallop. Come here. Come here. Here you go, cutie pie. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
A lot of them speed is gallop. Come on! Come on! Grass is cold.
Hey, puppies! That was gal. Come here, puppy.
Come on, guys.
Come here, puppies.
I got a couple steps.
First one. Ooh. He did it a little bit.
Yeah. And I got it on tape.